Hi, this is Abby Rogers with Dry Steam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the STS Steam-to-Steam humidifier. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Multimeter with true RMS, temperature measurement device, tools and materials needed to install flange, threaded piping, or solder fittings, supply water lines, tank drain and steam condensate lines, adjustable pipe hangers, level, drain cooler and/or condensate pump if needed, steam pressure gauge and fittings, VaporLogic IOM, and of course the STS IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Supply steam valve, condensate return, humidification condensate return, humidification steam supply, water supply, tank drain, demand signal, airflow proving switch, duct high limit, and the installation may be multi-tank units or standalone humidifiers. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Installation location for the unit is clear and ready, power, water, and drain are ready to connect and in working order, and the steam supply lines are available. Installation time of the STS humidifier will vary depending on the length of the piping runs. Startup time may vary depending on the application and system size. Now you have all the information you need to properly prepare for a smooth installation of the STS humidifier. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.